Welcome to this beautiful farm in the heart of rural Bangladesh. Today, I am taking you on a peaceful journey through a place where nature and farming come together in perfect harmony. From the clam fish ponds to the green orchard and from healthy cattle to majestic horses. This farm is truly a slice of paradise. As we begin our walk, the first thing that catches your eyes is the large, crystal clear fish pond. You can see ripple on the surface as the fish move gracefully beneath the water. These ponds are home to different kinds of freshwater fish, raised with care in a clean and natural environment. The sound of water, the soft breeze, and the birds singing nearby create a peaceful, almost magical atmosphere. This is not just farming, it's a connection with nature itself. Next, we move to the cattle area. Here you will see several strong, well-fed cows. Their coats shiny and their eyes calm and gentle. These cows are taken care of with great love and attention. The farmers feed them fresh grass and organic food every day. You can feel the warmth and bond between the farmers and their animals. It's a reminder that farming is not just about production, it's about compassion and respect for all living beings. And right beside the cows, there are two beautiful horses, strong, elegant, and full of life. They move freely around the open field. Their presence added a royal charm to the farm. The way they run, play, and graze peacefully under the sun. It's a sight that touches the heart. As we explore further, the greenery becomes even richer. There are countless trees and plants all around. Mango trees, heavy with fruit, lemon trees, spreading their fresh citrus aroma, and rows of dragon fruit plants glowing in the sunlight. You can also see vegetables like eggplants and pepper growing healthy in the soil. Every corner of this farm tells a story of hard work, patience, and love for nature. It's not just a farm, it's a living ecosystem full of life and balance. You can almost feel energy of the earth here. This farm is more than just a place of work. It's a dream built with passion and dedication. It reminds us that happiness does not always come from busy city life. Sometimes it's found in the simple rhythm of nature. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through this beautiful farm. If you love nature, simplicity, and real village life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.